If you want to get a discount on Adobe Creative Cloud, the good news is that there are a few smart and legitimate ways to save a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best options step by step, including the biggest discount, the free trial, seasonal offers, and even a way some students get Adobe for free through their school or college. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get into it. The first and biggest saving is the student discount. If you're a student, this is usually the best deal by far. Adobe offers a major discount for eligible students and teachers, and in many cases, you can save around 70% compared to the regular price. To check if you qualify, use your college or school email address, especially if it ends in .edu or comes from your institution's official domain. When you visit Adobe's pricing page, look for the student and teacher plan, then click to verify your eligibility. Adobe may ask you to confirm your school information, so be ready to sign in with your educational email and follow the verification steps carefully. If you're eligible, this can be the easiest and most powerful way to get Creative Cloud at a much lower price. Now, if you only need Adobe for a short time, the free trial is another option worth considering. Adobe usually offers a 7-day free trial on many of its Creative Cloud apps or plans. This is perfect if you only need Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, or another app for a one-off project, a quick edit, or a deadline-based task. To get the trial, go to Adobe's official website, choose the app or plan you want, and look for the free trial button. Make sure you read the trial terms carefully so you know when billing starts. This way, you can test the software first without paying up front, and if you only need it briefly, you may not need a full subscription at all. Another great way to save is by watching for seasonal offers. Adobe often runs special promotions during major shopping periods like Black Friday, back-to-school season, and other limited-time sales. These deals can sometimes give you around 40% off or more, depending on the region and the plan. The key here is timing. If you're not in a rush, keep an eye on Adobe's official promotions page and check back often during holiday sale periods. You can also search for Adobe discounts from verified partners or official reseller pages, but always make sure the offer is legitimate and from a trusted source. Seasonal discounts can be a smart way to lower your monthly cost without changing anything about your account. Here's another option many people overlook: college or institution access. In some cases, schools, universities, and training institutions provide Adobe Creative Cloud access for free or as part of a student technology package. This means you may already have access and not even know it yet. To check, visit your school's IT or software portal, search for Adobe Creative Cloud, and see whether your institution offers licensed access for students or staff. Some schools allow you to sign in directly with your school account and use the full software suite at no extra charge. If your college provides this benefit, it can save you a huge amount of money, so it's definitely worth checking before you pay for a personal subscription. So, to quickly recap, if you're a student, start with the student discount first because that's usually the biggest saving. If you only need Adobe temporarily, try the 7-day free trial. If you're not in a hurry, wait for seasonal promotions like Black Friday or back-to-school sales. And if you're enrolled in a school or university, check whether your institution already gives you free Adobe access. These 4 methods can help you cut the cost significantly and in some cases avoid paying at all. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, software tips, and money-saving walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.